So we are in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. You can see right here, that is your model number, serial number. You can go to bradfordwhite.com, click on the registration tab, and get this registered. You know, you'll give them your name, your street address, all that, so they know where it's installed, and they'll get your warranty going on the unit. Starting at the top, let's see if I can get up there. Starting at the top, we give you a brand new shutoff valve. So you've got copper stub outs, which is good. So cold side, just cut all the old valve off, put an adapter on, and give you a 3/4 inch full port ball valve. So these guys just quarter turn off, quarter turn on. Hot, we did the same thing. It's not required, but when we got started draining the line down, we had water back feeding through the hot side. So we decided, just for our purposes, we'll give you another valve right here, so it's 15 bucks, no big deal. In front of those, we got brass nipples on both sides, and then Falcon stainless steel connectors. These are 18-inch connectors going down to a brass extension. These are full 3/4 inch inside diameter. They're the largest in the industry, very expensive, but that's what we like, and that's what we use. So your existing pipe going up into the ceiling right there, we did put a piece of plumber's tape up there just for a little extra fastening. It is tied into the dual wall B vent up in the attic with a 4x3 adapter upside down that you can see there, but it's just kind of free floating out there, so we strapped it with some plumber's tape. Down here, you got a brand new draft diverter, comes with the water heater, brand new relief valve, comes with the water heater. This is for temperature and pressure. If anything happens to the valve or something's happening with the unit, you get too much temperature and or pressure, this is going to pop off. It's going to drain out that line to the exterior of the building right outside the garage door. And then of course, upper third, adjustable strap, lower third, adjustable strap. And then over here, you've got a brand new gas shutoff valve, a brand new gas connector over to the controller. I talked to the homeowner a little bit yesterday about how to best use this water heater. The EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, states 120 degrees, which is approximately hot right here. That's for safety purposes because scalding risk increases with hotter water. CDC recommends 140, which is B. And the reason why is they believe at 120 you'll build up bacteria in the tank, and that is distributed throughout your water system. So you'll get to decide what you'd like to do with this. Right now 120 is plenty hot. It's a 50-gallon water heater. If you were to turn this up to 140, this would actually feel like a 65-gallon water heater. The reason being, it's going to send 140-degree water to a shower, and obviously you'll have to mix it down with cold water more than you normally would, which means the water will last longer, just like a 65-gallon tank would. So you can turn it up to there, but just be mindful of the infants, elderly, and it sounds like you have an infant already here as of yesterday. And so be mindful of that, because if you have a big soaking tub with just a hot handle and a separate cold handle, or a laundry sink, something that's separate, if you turn it on and it's 140, third degree burns 3 seconds, infants and elderly 1 second, you're going to the hospital. So be mindful of that. Like I say, 120 is usually plenty for the family. Anyway, so everything here is turned on, burner is lit. Give it a couple hours for hot water. Outside of that, this installation is done.